Yes, so today we will learn about entrepreneurial opportunities. First of all, what is business opportunity? Business opportunity, business. That means, give me just 1 minute. Yes, business opportunities. Business means regular activities to be done. Whatever we are planning, the activity must be done regularly. And second thing is with the purpose of earning profit. So in this concept, we have two things: economic activity and second one is profit. There must be some profit earning. And these two things are here in business. And opportunity, with the combination of these 3 points, we will make definition of business opportunity. How we will write business opportunity definition? That is, that business opportunity refers to an economic activity with the purpose of earning profit, and scanning the environment and finding economic activities with the purpose of earning profit. With the involvement of these three sentences, we can find out the meaning of business opportunity. Now we have three terms. First one is entrepreneur, second is entrepreneurship, and last is enterprise. These three terms are there. In your book also the same diagram is given. So entrepreneur is the person. When a person exists and this person will do, entrepreneurship is a process. That means if a person will do some activity, some process, then the third one is outcome. So enterprise is the outcome. If there is an existence of a person and this person will do some activity, some process he will involve, and then there will be some outcome. What the outcome mean? Outcome means profit here, or outcome means the enterprise is here. If enterprise is not established, then with the process, with the efforts of entrepreneur, enterprise will set up. If already existing enterprise is there, with the efforts of entrepreneur, with the efforts or activities, the profit will be there. So this is called entrepreneurial terms. All these terms are involved here. Now we will go for next topic. See, the next topic is elements. Elements of business opportunity. What are these elements? First element is market scope. That means there must be a ready-made market. If it is not ready-made market is available, so it is the process of opportunity, business opportunity, that market will be ready before setting an enterprise. Because today the market concept is, market meaning says, the modern meaning of market says, first of all create the demand about the product, accordingly produce the product. So enterprise will be set up afterwards. First of all, ready-made market will be prepared for the product, for the services, whatever you are going to offer. So there must be a market available for the business opportunity. Business opportunity means whatever enterprise you are going to set up. So now onwards I'll say it enterprise. So whatever enterprise you are setting, for that, for whatever purpose or services you are going to provide, for that market must be available. Without market you can't convert your opportunity in a business. Business का meaning ही क्या होता है? That you produce and you sell it in market, you earn profit. If market is not there, then what will you do with the production? है ना? So market is important. Second is rate of return. What is rate of return? Rate of return is actually profit. So what is this profit says? That it must be attractive. If rate of return is not attractive, then nobody will enter in business opportunity. Nobody will enter in that enterprise, in that type of product, or in that type of business, or that type of services. Nobody would like to enter. No entrepreneur will be interested. If profit will attract people, then there will be some entrepreneurs who will enter in this business. Okay. Now the third element is practicability of idea. Practicability of idea. That means whatever idea you have in your mind for setting up an enterprise or starting a business, whatever idea is there, it must be practical. It should not be in dreams, or it should not be uh, impractical in reality. So whatever idea, business idea or business opportunity you have in your mind, it must be have an opportunity to convert it into reality. Then only the idea will be useful. Otherwise, the idea will always remain dream. It can't come true. है ना? The fourth one is competence to encash. Competence to encash. Encashment of idea. Whatever idea you have in your mind, it must be, the entrepreneur must have skills. Competence means skills to encash the idea into reality, into money. Means money formation, capital formation, wealth creation must be there, is important. The attractive rate of return was also saying the same thing. The same thing is here. Whatever idea you have in your mind, the entrepreneur must have. One person may have creative idea in his mind, but he is not having business capabilities, business competence is not having in him. So his idea will always remain idea if he is not capable of converting his idea into reality. So entrepreneur must have competence so that he can convert his idea into reality, or he can convert and cash his idea, whether he is setting up his own enterprise himself, or he is selling his idea to someone else. But encashment capability must be there. Otherwise, the idea will remain idea only, not reality. Next and last one is future potential, future growth. Whatever business you are going to set up, there must have some growth opportunities. Suppose you have got a job, and you know that after this post there is no growth opportunity. You will just start from here, and you will be here only whole life. You will stay on this same post. Then क्लर्क की पोस्ट है. क्लर्क की पोस्ट क्या होती है? बंदा शुरू में क्लर्क बनता है और पूरी लाइफ क्लर्क ही रहता है, चाहे वो छोटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हो चाहे बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. देर इज नो ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज. बट एक बिजनेस पर्सन के लिए क्या होता है? वो एक छोटा बिजनेस पर्सन है, फिर उसने एक्सपेंड किया, उसने इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे लाया, फिर वो वर्ल्ड लेवल पर लेकर के आया, वो अपने बिजनेस को एक्सपेंड करता चला जाता है. तो वट एवर आइडिया यू हैव, वट एवर product or services you are going to start, you are, whatever opportunity you are searching, business opportunity you are getting, it must have some growth opportunities. ठीक है ना? Suppose you are producing paper mask. Paper mask की durability कितनी होती है? Just for few hours. So you can sell the product in India only. Not only India, you can, your business opportunity, your business scope, growth scope is just up to your city only. But if you are making fancy and durable mask, then you can sell your mask. Mask is a very small. Why did I take this example? Because it is a very small and cheap product. 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 10 to 15 rupees भी मिलता है, 20 rupees में भी मिलता है ना? And 100 rupees में भी मिलता है. So it is not so much expensive. So if it is durable, if it is of good quality, then you can sell it in international market. ठीक है? तो डिपेंड्स ऑन कि आप किस तरीके का मास्क बना रहे हैं. उसे इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में भेज सकते हैं या उसका सिर्फ ग्रोथ यहीं तक रह जाएगी, अपने सिटी तक ही. डिपेंड्स ऑन. सो देयर मस्ट बी अ ग्रोथ, future growth opportunities, large growth opportunities must be there in that business in which you are involved, you are going to enter. So these were the elements. Now, exploring the opportunities in the environment. Let's see the new topic. Enterprise process diagram. Enterprise process diagram. क्या है ये diagram? Let's see. First of all, there is some environment exists everywhere. Environment exists everywhere. Whatever business you are going to set up, everywhere the environment exists. Various type of elements are there. Afterwards, in next time we will learn about it. So here, first of all, the process will start. I made this here so that we can see that this is the business criteria, and along around of this every side it is covered with so many environmental factors. So inside of it there is a problem or need. This need will give opportunity spotting. There will be a need only. If there will be any need or problem, for that there will be one person who can see opportunity in that problem. That is why he will spot the opportunity, and then he will create some idea, creativity. He will create some idea for finding the solution, and that idea will be converted into some innovation, and after conversion of that innovation it will become business. So what is enterprise process? Enterprise process starts from here. There will be a problem, and so many people see these problems, but nobody bothers about. But there is one person with the special skills. He sees the opportunity in this problem. He thinks that if I will be able to, if I will solve this problem, then this solution may become my business opportunity. He think about from this point, from this problem, he spots some opportunity. Then he will start. Now he is damn sure that with the solution of this problem, there will be a new business opportunity he found. And after finding this, he will start finding the solution of that problem. This is creative idea. He found the solution, but the solution is in his mind only. He has to convert his idea, his mind thinking, his solution in mind must be converted into physical form, into reality. So the innovation will take place. Now there was a problem. He find that there will be opportunity. That is why for finding the solution, he start doing activities. He got an idea. On this basis of idea, he innovates some new product or new technology or new method, whatever was there. He finds something new, and after finding the solution, he set up an enterprise and start the business. Whatever a business opportunity he found, now he set up that business. This is enterprise process diagram. Okay. So these were the stages, 1, 2, 3, 4. These were the stages of enterprise setup. Now we will go for next topic. That is, some elements are important in that for setting up a business opportunity. Some factors involved. Factors involved. Factors involved in business opportunity. What are these factors involved in business opportunity? Let's see. First one is ability to perceive. Ability to perceive and preserve. Whatever idea is there, there must be an ability in entrepreneur that he can get the idea. First of all, nobody was seeing in that problem. Nobody was able to see the opportunity in that problem. But he is the person, he is the capable person who find the idea, business opportunity he finds in that problem. So he must have capability to perceive, to get the idea, and to preserve that idea. That means उसके बारे में सोच करके और आगे निकल जाना, that is not preserving. He must have to keep thinking about that idea, preserve that idea, and start working on that idea. This is the first step, important. Second step says that ability to harness different sources of information. Sources of information. He must have ability to find out and collect the sources. First of all, he got the idea, he preserved that idea. That means he start thinking about that idea, he start working on that idea. The first step of working on that idea is finding the information sources related to that idea. From various sources he will find the information, whether it is the information related to problem solving, whether it is the information related to the existing product, existing services, already working on that, whatever it is. But he will, he must have capability to find and to use these sources of information, and he will collect various type of information. And the last one is vision and creativity. The entrepreneur must have vision and creativity. After finding information is there, he is keep thinking, he has ability to find some creativity. Now he will create some. Vision and creativity means he will got an idea and he will keep thinking on that, and he will find the new idea. That was the important factor involving business opportunity. Now he has got the idea, the business opportunity. Now it is ready. This is the business opportunity. Now on this opportunity, the next process for setting up of a business enterprise will start. We can learn these three factors in this diagram. It is, first of all, need or problem. The problem is here, and creativity. Need is there. Need, create creativity, and creativity is related to need. That means creativity is related to solution of that problem. So these two are interrelated with each other. Arrow is going for both sides. Okay? Because need will create creativity, and creativity, what creativity? Creativity is the solution of that need or problem. And afterwards, with this creativity, there will be an opportunity. Opportunity will be there. So I'll mark it here. Okay? Creativity will convert into opportunity. Yes, beta. So creativity will give direction to opportunity, business opportunity, a business enterprise will set up. And what the business enterprise is doing, its source is that problem. Its source is that problem. Due to this problem only, the business enterprise, the business opportunity is working on the solution of this problem with the help of creativity. So both the arrows are going towards the entrepreneurial opportunity. I hope this is the opportunity topic is clear to everyone. Yes, Peter, now this topic is over. If anybody having any problem,